Unlock pinpoint focus with just a tap on your Sony A7 IV, and let's master its incredible touchscreen capabilities. First, let's ensure our touchscreen focus is activated. Navigate to the main menu. Then to focus management here, you'll find touch operation. Make sure this is set to on. With touch operation on, focusing becomes as simple as touching your desired subject on the rear LCD. See how the camera instantly acquires focus on that point. This is fantastic for quick adjustments and grabbing sharp shots on the fly. Now, let's explore how your focus setting influences touchscreen accuracy. If your camera is set to wide focus area, touching the screen will indeed place your focus point there. However, for more deliberate control, consider switching to zone or center focus modes. When using zone focus, tapping within a specific zone will prioritize focus within that area, giving you more precise control, especially if your subject is near other elements. You can even customize the size of your touch focus point. Go back into focus management, and you'll find touch focus size. You can choose from small, medium, or large, allowing you to fine-tune how the camera interprets your touch. For ultimate precision, especially in portraiture, remember that you can often tap directly on your subject's eye. This ensures your critical focus is exactly where you want it for portraits that pop. For an even more streamlined workflow, you can enable touch shutter in the same focus management menu. This allows you to tap to focus and take the picture simultaneously, perfect for those fleeting moments. Experiment with these settings, practice your taps, and you'll find touchscreen focus on your Sony A7 IV to be an incredibly powerful and intuitive tool for achieving perfectly sharp images every time.